to the 140th edition of Weekly Shulini TV News Bulletin. In here, we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I am Ria, and here are the headlines for this week. Curiosity Quiz 2024, 25,000 students compete for glory. End semester exam and winter break begins. National Mathematics Day marked by inspiring webinar. And now the news in detail. Curiosity Quiz, a national quiz contest for school students, evoke huge response with over 25,000 students from across the country participating. Archie has a comprehensive report on the competition which concluded last weekend.
A spectacle of intellectual and competition was unleashed as Shulni University hosted the third edition of its flagship national quiz competition, Curiosity 2024. Let's dive into the highlights of this prestigious event.
Organized by the Both Club and co-powered by Ideas That Matter. The event drew participation from over 500 schools and an astonishing 25,000 students across the nation. The journey began with 3 online rounds on the university's Curiosity platform, narrowing down the massive pool to just 30 semi-finalists. From these, the top 6 participants battled it out in the grand finale after intense quarter-finals held on Zoom.
The grand finale opened with a vibrant start featuring the traditional Saraswati Vandana and motivational address by Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla, Professor Ashish Khosla and Mr. Munish Sharawat. An interesting highlight was an impromptu audience quiz that added a funny twist with chocolates and rewards to those giving correct answers.
In the final showdown, 6 talented participants representing schools from Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Varanasi, and Mandi competed across 5 rounds. From Hunt the Option to the electrifying rapid fire, each round tested their knowledge and quick thinking. Gurukul Global School, Chandigarh, represented by Arnav Nair, emerged as the champion.
The competition reached a nail-biting finish with the tiebreaker for the second and third spots. Bhavya Rawat from BCM Arya International School, Ludhiana, corrected answered the deciding questions of Brazil's time zones, clinching the second position. This placed Satvik Thakur from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Mandi in third place.
Arnav Nair consistent performance secured the championship title for Gurukul Global School, making him the proud winner of Curiosity 2024. The event celebrated not only academic excellence but also the spirit of healthy competition and diversity.
Curiosity 2024 proved to be the platform where young minds shone brightly, showcasing their intellect and passion for learning. With such remarkable talent on display, the future truly looks promising. Organizers have promised an even larger participation next year.
Thanks, Ashi, for the detailed report. Moving on, we have Aditya to brief you about the completion of end semester exam. And students are all set for the vacations. Over to you, Aditya.
As the winter chill sets in, Shulni University students have successfully completed their end semester exams, marking the end of another academic term. With the exams now behind them, students eagerly look forward to a well-deserved winter break. The end semester exams concluded smoothly this week, and the winter break officially began. Offering students a chance to relax and rejuvenate, the university has also announced important dates for the next academic session. Registration for the upcoming semester is scheduled for January 27, 28, and 29th. Classes for the new semester will commence on January 27th, ensuring a seamless transition into the next phase of academic activities. Students are advised to complete their registration on the time to avoid any penalties. While students enjoy their winter holidays, the university administration is already preparing for the next semester. With the start of classes coinciding with the registration period on January 27, the university is drawing up a streamlined and efficient academic calendar.
Thank you, Aditya. Up next, we have Kashish to brief you about the Christmas celebration in the campus. Go ahead, Kashish.
Shulni University turned into a magical wonderland this Christmas Eve as students, faculty and staff members come together to celebrate the festival session with enthusiasm and creativity.
The highlight of the day was the grand entrance of Santa Claus, followed by a lovely carol singing, vibrant dance performance, and a thrilling lucky draw that separate joy and excitement across the campus. Students showcase their talent through handcraft, crochets, culinary delights, and unique merchandise. The aroma of freshly baked cookies and the twinkle of handmade ornaments created a magical ambience.
Chancellor Dr. P.K. Khosla and Director Operation Brigadier Sunil Mehta added to the festivities by engaging with students and admiring their creativity. The evening was further brightened by carol singing, energetic dance routine, and thrilling lucky draw. The celebration concluded with everyone joining a cheerful dance.
Moving on, we have Shulni University celebrating National Mathematics Days. Details are with Harmanpreet Singh.
Shulin University celebrated National Mathematics Day with an enlightening webinar featuring Dr. Ramesh Kumar Vats, Associate Professor at NIT Hamidpur. The event brought together mathematics enthusiasts to appreciate the elegance and relevance of the subject in its today's world. Here are the highlights of the inspiring session. The webinar began with a thought-provoking session by Dr. Ramesh Kumar Vats, whose insights into the beauty and applications of mathematics captivated the audience. Shulin University Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla graced the occasion, addressing esteemed delegates including Dr. Sahil, Dr. Kanika, Dr. Ravinder, Dr. Sushil, Ms. Anirita, Mr. Raghav, and Dr. Ishfaq. The event also featured several mathematics related activities featuring curiosity and enthusiasm among participants. The celebration of National Mathematics Day at Shulin University not only highlighted the importance of mathematics but also encouraged participants to explore its deeper significance in our daily lives.
Thank you, Harman. Before concluding today's bulletin, RJ will tell you about the upcoming shows in Radio Shulini.
Hi, hello, namaste. Hope you are doing well. I'm Anushka and will brief you about the upcoming shows that you can enjoy on Radio Shulini. Badai Ho viral hua hai by RJ Sneha, One on One by RJ Vansh, Audio Brahman by RJ Sadia. So do not forget to watch these shows on Radio Shulini. Radio Shulini, Awaz Wadiyon Ki. And a very happy New Year, guys, in advance. Take care.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition in the upcoming Friday. Till then, stay tuned and wish you a very happy New Year. Namaskar.